Ready to turn your sketches into stunning digital masterpieces? In 2025, the best drawing tablets are taking creativity to new heights, combining vibrant displays, ultra-responsive styluses, and powerful features for artists at every level. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best tablets for drawing this year. From premium OLED screens to budget-friendly pen displays, these picks are sure to spark your inspiration. For more details and the latest prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. Apple iPad Pro 13-inch with the M4 chip. The Apple iPad Pro 13-inch with the M4 chip is the ultimate tablet for drawing, a game changer for artists who demand the best. At just 5.1 millimeters thick, it's insanely light, perfect for sketching on the go or cozying up for a marathon Procreate session. The tandem OLED Ultra Retina XDR display is jaw-dropping. 1,000 nits of brightness, 1,600 nits for HDR, and a P3 color gamut make your colors pop with unreal depth. The 120Hz Pro Motion ensures buttery smooth strokes. The Apple Pencil Pro is the star, with a squeeze gesture to swap tools, barrel roll for brush rotation, and haptic feedback that feels like magic. Powered by the M4 chip's 10-core GPU, it handles heavy apps like Nomad Sculpt or 4K video editing without a hiccup. Imagine sketching vibrant portraits or 3D models with zero lag. This is your dream canvas. Pros: stunning tandem OLED display with vibrant colors. Apple Pencil Pro's innovative squeeze and barrel roll. M4 chip covers demanding creative apps. Lightweight, thin design for portability. Cons: premium price tag is a big investment. iPad OS can feel limiting for desktop workflows. Apple Pencil Pro is sold separately. Number 2. Wacom Cintiq Pro 17. The Wacom Cintiq Pro 17 is a professional artist's dream, built for precision and studio-grade workflows. Its 17.3-inch 4K display with 120Hz refresh rate delivers crystal-clear visuals and ultra-smooth panning, perfect for animation or detailed illustrations. Covering 99% of DCI-P3 and Pantone validated, it's a color-critical beast for preps. The Pro Pen 3 is customizable. Adjust its weight, grip, or buttons for your perfect feel, with 8,122 pressure levels and no parallax for pinpoint accuracy. 8 rear-mounted express keys keep shortcuts at your fingertips, and multi-touch lets you zoom or rotate the canvas like a tablet. Picture crafting intricate concept art or 3D textures on this expansive, paper-like etched glass screen. It's as close to traditional drawing as digital gets. Pros: stunning 4K 120Hz display for sharp and fluid visuals. Customizable Pro Pen 3 with zero parallax. 8 express keys streamline workflows. Multi-touch for intuitive navigation. Cons: high cost, especially with optional stand. Requires a PC or Mac, not standalone, and bulky for small desks. Number 3. Huion Kamvas Pro 16 2.5K. The Huion Kamvas Pro 16 2.5K is a budget-friendly powerhouse that punches way above its price. Its 15.8-inch QLED display rocks a 2.5K resolution, delivering crisp details and 145% sRGB for vibrant colors. The fully laminated anti-glare screen cuts parallax and feels like drawing on paper. The PW517 battery-free pen offers 8,122 pressure levels and tilt support for natural, expressive strokes, ideal for illustration or photo editing. 8 customizable shortcut keys speed up your workflow, letting you switch brushes in Clip Studio Paint without missing a beat. With a sturdy aluminum build and adjustable stand, it's perfect for sketching detailed manga or vibrant landscapes at home or in a studio. Pros: affordable with premium 2.5K QLED display. Battery-free pen with excellent sensitivity. 8 shortcut keys boost productivity. Anti-glare, paper-like drawing surface. Cons: color calibration may need tweaking, not standalone, requires PC or Mac, and slightly smaller screen than competitors.
Number 4. XP Pen Artist Pro 16 Gen 2. The XP Pen Artist Pro 16 Gen 2 is a trailblazer, boasting the world's first 16,384 pressure level stylus for unmatched precision. Its 16-inch 2.5K display with a 16:10 aspect ratio gives you extra vertical space, perfect for toolbars in Photoshop. The laminated anti-glare screen eliminates parallax, and 99% sRGB ensures solid color accuracy. The X3 Pro Smart Chip Stylus is a revelation, capturing the lightest strokes to reduce fatigue, ideal for intricate line work or digital painting. A wireless shortcut remote with 10 keys and a dial offers flexible control, and built-in foldable legs set a comfy 22-degree angle. Imagine sketching detailed character designs with effortless line transitions. This tablet pushes creative boundaries. Pros? 16,000 pressure levels for ultimate sensitivity, 2.5K's 16:10 display with no parallax, wireless shortcut remote for flexibility, built-in stand for ergonomic drawing. Cons? No on-device shortcut keys, requires PC or Mac, not standalone, and learning curve for new pen sensitivity. Number 5. Wacom One 13 Touch. The Wacom One 13 Touch is the best tablet for drawing on a budget, perfect for beginners or students. Its 13.3-inch Full HD display is sharp for its size with 99% sRGB and a laminated anti-glare surface for a natural drawing feel. The Wacom One pen offers 4,096 pressure levels and tilt support, delivering responsive strokes for sketching in Procreate or Krita. Multi-touch gestures let you zoom or rotate the canvas like a smartphone, speeding up your workflow. At under 2 pounds and using a single USB-C cable, it's a portable dream for travel or small desks. Imagine doodling character sketches in a cafe. This tablet makes digital art accessible and fun. Pros? Affordable with reliable Wacom quality. Multi-touch for intuitive navigation. Lightweight and portable with single cable setup. Responsive pen for beginner-friendly drawing. Cons? Lower 4,096 pressure levels versus competitors. No built-in stand included. And Full HD resolution less sharp for pros.
That's the 2025 lineup of the best tablets for drawing. From the iPad Pro's dazzling OLED to the Wacom One's budget-friendly charm, these devices are your gateway to digital creativity. Grab your stylus, pick your canvas, and start creating. Check the links below for more and share your favorite in the comments. Keep sketching, keep creating.